Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Tapo C510W versus the Tapo C520WS. So, if you don't know what these two are, the Tapo C510W or 10W is an outdoor 2K pan-tilt Wi-Fi camera offering 360 horizontal and 130 vertical coverage, motion tracking, person detection, full color night vision, and IP65 weatherproofing. Now the 520 on the other hand is an enhanced version of the other one, so it also has enhanced 2K QHD, 4 megapixels, outdoor pan tilt Wi-Fi camera featuring starlight color, night vision, person pet vehicle detection, smart motion tracking, and IP66 weatherproofing. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the C510 here. So the pros of it is that it has 360 pan and 130 tilt for comprehensive coverage, full color night vision up to 30 meters, IP65 weather resistance, and it supports microSD up to 512 gigabytes and cloud storage. Now the cons of it is that it is limited to person detection, lacks pet and vehicle detection, and has standard night vision performance compared to starlight sensors. Now let's go discuss the pros and cons of the 520. The pros of it is that it has a higher 2K QHD 4 megapixel resolution for sharper images, starlight sensor with f1.6 aperture for super low light performance, advanced AI detection for persons, pets, and vehicles, and IP66 weather resistance for enhanced durability. The cons of it is that it is slightly pricier and may have a more complex setup due to advanced features. Now, which one is right for you? So you should choose the 510 if you're seeking a budget-friendly option with essential features like 360 coverage and full color night vision, and opt for the 520 if you require higher resolution, advanced AI detection capabilities, and superior night vision performance. And that is basically it. So the 520 is better in all categories than the 510, but the 510 is basically good enough for most people. So yeah, if you can afford the 520, by all means go for it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.